Want a simple Forex strategy that really works? Let's keep it easy and profitable.
Most traders keep changing their strategies constantly for growth, but they continue to incur financial losses nonetheless. What if I told you there was something amazing to discover? You only need one simple strategy to achieve your goals. Following the trend is indeed your best friend in business. If the market experiences an upward trend, it is advisable to buy. Don't chase after prices, instead let them come to you. Please wait for a proper signal and confirmation to proceed. Managing your risk is absolutely vital for success. Pros prioritize long-term consistency in their work. You are now ahead of most people in this situation. Begin your exciting journey with XtremeMarkets today.